Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in today's video I'm going to show you all how to make this beautiful deal letter shape, and I'm going to be making it without using any clay at all. I'm going to be using M-Seal. So let's get started with the video. First of all, you are going to take both the parts of the M-Seal and mix it together. Now here's a tip for you: can add powder to make the clay non-stick and the surface non-stick too. For making a petal, you are going to roll it out, flatten it and then pinch it, and then making a lot of pieces like this and then gluing it together just like this. Shape, I'm rolling a piece of clay, then making the shape just like this. For the last shape, it's just a mini form of the first flowers that we have made. Now I've pre-cutted a D shape, colored it and sticked all the pieces together. Now I'm making pink color by mixing red with white and coloring the petals of the flower. In the center I'm going to be using yellow pastel color. So guys, here's a tip for you all. You can take out a little M-Seal while making the shapes, because if you will take out all the M-Seal at once, what will happen? It will harden and you'll waste a lot of it. So try taking out a bit of M-Seal at a time. In the same way, I'm going to be coloring all the other flowers. For the mini flower, I'm going to be taking yellow pastel color, and the center I'm going to be making with orange color. So guys, you can decorate any kind of letter you like, example the letter of your name or anything like this. Guys, now I'm going to do the second coat to make it more opaque. I'm going to be using the same color once more. So guys, after that I'm going to outline all of the things by using the darker shade of the same color. So guys, to outline the petals, I'm going to be using red color, and to outline the mini flowers I'm going to be using golden, and you can also use orange color. And dark green for the other shapes. And the smallest purple flowers I'm going to be using dark purple. So guys, this is how the end result will look like. So I've used such an inexpensive materials that it is so easy for you to make. So guys, you have to try it by yourself, as it is so easy to make. So thanks for watching. I hope you all enjoyed watching the video, and if you did, make sure to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye guys.